You sit there, staring at your to-do list. Again. You want to start, but you don't move. The task feels heavy, like pushing a wall, and your brain whispers, "Not now." That whisper feels like relief, but that relief? It's a trap. The psychology trap called overthinking. Here's what's actually happening in your mind. When you plan too much, your brain rewards you as if you acted. You feel productive, but you're not moving. That's dopamine, the illusion of action. It tricks you into feeling like you've done enough, even though your body still hasn't moved. The more you think, the scarier it feels. You start imagining everything that could go wrong, and that's how overthinking kills momentum. You're not lazy, you're scared. Scared of failing, scared of starting. But here's the truth. Action kills fear. When you move, your brain follows. Think of your brain like a lazy friend. It won't start until you do. The first 10 seconds are the hardest, but once you move, the resistance breaks. This is called the action loop. Small actions release real dopamine from progress. Each tiny move builds confidence. Confidence turns into momentum, and momentum crushes fear. That's the shift. Thinking less, doing more. Imagine your thoughts as clouds. You can watch them pass, or you can walk through them. The more you walk, the clearer the sky gets. Your brain will resist at first. It's wired for comfort, not progress. But you rewire it every time you act despite fear. Overthinking is just mental noise. You don't need silence. You need movement. Every great thing started messy. No one starts perfect. They just started. Your job isn't to be ready, it's to move, right now. So next time you overthink, don't argue with your brain. Just count. 3, 2, 1, and move. That single step destroys the trap. Action is your escape. Overthinking dies in motion. You already know what to do. Now go do it. Because the only thing stopping you is you. Your brain isn't your enemy, it just needs direction. And that direction starts with one action, one click, one sentence, one move. Because thinking doesn't create results, doing does. So stop planning the perfect moment. The perfect moment is when you begin. Every second you wait, the trap resets. Don't give it that chance. You're stronger than your thoughts. You've beaten worse, and you'll beat this too. The moment you move, you win. So, what will your next action be? Comment it below, because if you can type it, you can start it. The trap ends when action begins. Don't think, move. Your future self is waiting. Be the one who acts, not the one who waits. Start before you're ready. Overthinking can't survive action. The trap only works if you stay still. Move, and you're free. So take one deep breath and act. Not tomorrow, not later, right now. Because your future depends on it. You can think your way into fear or act your way into freedom. The choice is yours. So, what are you choosing?